mine look good like that?
No, yours is a little better like that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, right there.
Oh.
The tractor truck.
Yeah. Please don't.
I guess West Coast representing.
Barbecue. I guess they got one barbecue place out here so far.
Yeah. Usually around the corner. There's another one.
Oh, look at the Super C.
Oh, that's a way to come out here.
Holy shit, bro. That's the way to go anywhere. What are you talking about?
That's an old bourbon.
Yo.
Or is that a
International.
international? Okay, it is international. There's a few trucks out here. Look at that way. A Ford. That's one way to drive a Trans Am.
Yeah. No doubt. There you go. Bacon.
Shaking the bacon. Trumpzilla. Does sound familiar. No, that's a golf cart.
Yeah.
See, steak guy. See, we got plenty today.
Yeah, I got plenty of food. Probably back first.
Well, usually we go back,
Yeah.
back here. But they just keep going.
It don't matter.
Going.
Holy shit. God.
There you go. There's a ladder to get in the old Ford there. We gotta go by that.
Oh shit. Dude, that's a readjust ladder.
It's a big old truck.
Right there.
Oh, there is. That's by the pulling slide, though. I'll go. I just want to go by the street, check out the truck.
Okay.
Check out the old 60s. F100. Look at the straps. It's got enough straps.
Jesus. Monsters motherfucker there, boy. That's a monster boat.
Two more. Just kind of hanging out over there.
Yeah,
See, there's our old tree we used to hang out at. Look at it. There's just more going that way.
yeah. Oh yeah, they're lined up over that way. There's more packed that way.
We'll have to find a new tree.